selected from script submission, is a family drama film which follows the life of Joselito before the events of Miracle in Cell Number 7. Joselito lives with his Tio Noel, who is his emotional anchor and a big influence to him. They live a simple life with Joselito learning to sell stuff and at the same time working as a porter and watch your car call. He meets Angela, a beautiful school teacher who despite his condition also falls for him. The two eventually get married even if Angela's family is against the relationship. Tio Lito passes away on the same day that Joselito learns that Angela is pregnant. After giving birth to her daughter Yisha, Angela is diagnosed to have ovarian cancer, which is the cause of her early demise. Joselito raises Yisha with the help of his neighbors and friends. However, Angela's parents try to take Yisha's custody, but a lawyer whom he helped in the past came to his rescue, eventually winning custody of his child. Yisha grows up to be a smart and loving child. Then flashes of Joselito's moment in jail with Yisha and inmates is shown. It is revealed that Joselito had already crossed paths with the inmates before he was jailed. Fast forward to the present, we see a 16-year-old Yisha carrying the urn of Joselito, Angela, and Tio Noel as she goes to the cemetery where Joselito's mom was laid to rest, fulfilling her father's wish. The entry is from Diva Communications with Adam Mulang as lead actor, directed by Noel Nabal with Mel Mendoza del Rosario as scriptwriter. The movie is entitled Second Miracle in Cell Number 7.
Congratulations! Second Miracle in Cell Number 7. Please, the stars and the production of this movie, join us here on stage to receive the plaque from MMDA to be presented by Chairman Romando Martinez. Thank you so much for capturing that wonderful moment. Second Miracle number Cell 7. Cell number 7, I'm sure everybody's excited for that. Abangan po natin yan in the 52nd Metro Manila Film Festival.